Hello you guys and welcome to birding in the car today. So I have been feeling really ill the last few days, which is why this video is late today. I just have been really struggling with my chronic fatigue, but don't worry, we still got out. We got in the vehicle and we're just gonna take it easy, do some vehicle birding, and I already found a flock of birds that I know you guys are gonna be excited about because you don't get to see them very often. I'm not gonna give it away though, so stay tuned for the video. I'm Shayna and you're watching Shayna Cossette Birding. In a completely unexpected turn of events, I was just pulling up to the lagoon here to turn around because it's basically the end of the road for this portion here, and there was a flock of ptarmigan on top of the lagoon, and so I pulled my camera up and they immediately kind of flushed, and so I thought they were gonna fly away, but they actually ended up just circling and landing back on the ice. And so I was able to get some photo and video of them, and there are 3 rock ptarmigan mixed in. So this is officially the closest to town that I have found them. It also wasn't on a lake. This is also a really high number, and I'm honestly a little bit surprised they're still here. It's April 14th today. I really didn't think the ptarmigan would still be hanging around. I figured they would have gone north, but that's probably why they're flocked up. They're probably making their way back to the Arctic for the breeding season, but definitely not a bird I was expecting to see today, and also get a couple photos and videos. So super awesome, super exciting, always a great day when you see some ptarmigan. So as you saw in the video clip, that was a mixed, well, I mean, I don't know if it's a mixed flock of ptarmigan. So I've actually messaged my eBird reviewer because I'm not 100% sure how to properly enter that flock. But the other ones, because the willow and rock ptarmigan are so similar, and because there was so many of them together in that flock, I can't say for certain if the remaining 18 are female or male willows or if they're female rocks. So I'm not 100% sure how to properly enter that, so I've reached out to my eBird reviewer to ask for their recommendation on it, and I will definitely let you guys know what I end up putting in. I'll probably just link the checklist in the playlist down below, but that was awesome. They have kind of taken off now. I think they're on the lagoon behind me, but I'm going to continue driving and see what else we can find for today. Okay, I was literally on my way back from seeing the ptarmigan, and there's a lynx sleeping on the side of the road. It's not like running away or anything, so I'm gonna keep filming it. And it's so close. my gosh. Okay, I just spent like, I don't know, 20 minutes, half an hour with that lynx, just like right there. What was that? I was not prepared for how great those photos were. Like, just unreal pictures, unreal pictures. So freaking awesome. Sometimes it's okay to just skip a couple days and get out when you can, because this is still all within like 15 minutes of my house. This is why I love living so far up north. You just never know what you're gonna find because you're surrounded by wilderness. That is so freaking awesome. All right, well, I ran down to the river to check to see if there's any of the geese from last week or any other waterfowl or water birds. Nothing there. Doesn't surprise me. It's very windy today and actually a lot chillier than I thought it would be. So I just took a quick drive out to the dump, because that is my other wildlife hotspot. We got river, lagoon, and dump as like the top 3 spots to go birding. But not much out here. I was hoping maybe one of the eagles that I've been seeing would be hanging around, but it's all mostly just all the corvids. So we have common ravens, American crows, and then I did see a black-billed magpie in town while I was driving around. So yeah, I think I'm gonna make my way back to the house, see if I see anything else along the way, and I will see you guys there. All right, we are back at the house. What an incredible day that was, but we're not done yet because earlier this week I also saw my 21st county bird for the year, the black-back woodpecker. Now, I didn't get a great photo and I got a very short video clip, so I'm going to show that after, but we are officially 1/5 of the way to the goal of seeing 100 birds in my county for this year. Alright, that is going to be everything for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any future videos, and remember to get out and go birding.